Alright guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to unbox this Husky 15-piece Serpentine belt tool set. Here's the item number. Supposedly has a lifetime warranty. I got this from Home Depot. I got it on sale for $25 plus tax. You might be able to find that sale. If not, they usually go for about $40 or $50. If it is not in stock in your area, try again in a day or two at different times. That might work. Has a 72 tooth ratcheting wrench, the long reach bar, 6-point pass-through sockets, 3 specialty drive adapters, 3 crowfoot wrenches. Let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. There's a little zip tie right here. That did it. Some clips on the side also. This little foam padding. Okay. Let's have a little bit of grease right here. Not sure why. Just fit in there nicely. Looks pretty nice. There's a 13, 14, and 15 on these. Okay, we have the 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have the 3/8, the half, and the 3/4. Down here we have the 13, 14, and the 15. 7/8. HH. It says Husky. 17. These are 6-point. I do like it that they are 6-point. Then we have the adapters here. This is the 3/4. Down here it says storage. So you can store anything down here. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think. Is it worth the $25 that I paid for it? I think it is. It's better than my other set that I had. Let me see if I can find the other set. Alright, I found the other one. And it is a big difference. Let me just show you by size comparison. This is the Husky. We'll put it right next to it. As you can see, it's only up to here. And the OEM tools is all the way down here, so you can get way more leverage on the OEM tools one. So this one is different than this one. I believe I can't use this one. So I might need to hoard both of them and keep both of them. Since this one has longer leverage, we'll see. Once I take out a serpentine belt. And this is the OEM. Only comes with these 4 adapters. Compared to this one. Comes with all that. So I'll keep you guys updated in a future video. And see if this one will work just as good as this one. Alright, the OEM tools one is about 30 inches and a half with the extension. And the Husky one is about a little bit more than 22 inches. That's a big difference in size. If you want to know just the size on this, it's about 14 inches. And the other one, it's about 22 inches around there. 22 inches and a half. just the bar itself. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think. Do you think I should keep them both, or the Husky one will completely replace the OEM one? That just wraps this video up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.